Nā ki tētahi hautipua i Aiane, kua oti ia Gordon Wright te toru te kautau e mahi ana mo te hunga wātene Māori. No nā kua nei ia ka reihaina i ana mahi wātene, ko tētahi o ana mahi nui ko te whakaraura i te whaitua o tautahi whai muri mai te rū nui i Pākia rātau. Ana i te pūrongoa Perewihongi.
Ngā wātene Māori, ngā hoia o ngā hapori. A koina i pū te rangatira o era hoia i te tonga o Tāmaki ko Gordon Wright.
There is a place for everybody in the wardens, and I just hope that people get behind the wardens and the mahi they do for our communities.
Kia ora, kia ora. Toru te kaumatahi ngā tau ko wātene hia e Wright ngā rori maha o te motu. I nāia nei kua putatana whakatau mo tana wehenga.
I've been out to help a lot of people, and a lot of people that have got on the wrong side of the system and been able to turn them around. And I believe that everyone should be given that chance.
Ko ia hoki tētahi i a tahanga i te puari wātene o Tāmaki Makaurau. Ko te hua, te kaumārua o ngā whare wātene i ngā wāhi matua o Tāmaki ki te tonga.
It's been a pleasure being able to coordinate and work with other wardens and help train wardens throughout the motu, and I've pushed wardens along to bring those skills out so that they can help our vulnerable communities.
He's been my mentor for the 5 years that I've known him, and he's the only one that I could rely on.
Ko Matarora Smith tētahi o ngā tauira toru rau kua whakaakona e Wright, ka mutu ko ia hoki te tangata ka whakaki I ona hu.
Overwhelmed that he was actually leaving, that I didn't want him to leave. Because it was like, who's going to be there for me? You know, I was feeling quite selfish.
He oi e mau pū ana ki o ngā whakaakoranga hei arahi I ngā wātene I tana korenga.
We're going to try and just keep it all together how he's left it for us and try and improve and hone a few more skills out there, because that's what I think needs to be done. Just get out there and get into our community and help our people.
Ia mātou e noho tahi ana I hoki kōmuri ngā whakaaro.
Oh, we mobilised the wardens within 2 hours. We had wardens there and we had so much media around trying to get into the marae. So no, get up, stop that.
He hoki ngā mahara he koanga ngā kau I tau te Māori I roto ia Wright mo tana wehenga.
I feel that it's time to move on, and an opportunity has come up in Australia, and hopefully to be working with Indigenous youth over there.
Ka ati hei te rā whakamaumahara I ngā hoia, ka wātene hia te rangatira nei mo te wā whakamutunga. Perewihongi, te karere.